Well, Chatamari is one of the most popular staple snack in Nepal. This is one of the top snack in most of the places. A decade before, it was only popular within the Newari community. However, nowadays it has taken a vital place in Nepalese taste buds. This is also called Nepalese pizza due to its crust made of rice flour. But it's almost similar to crepe topped with vegetables and non-vegetables as well. People love to eat this due to the taste, flavors and its freshness. The mixture that is put on top of it is well seasoned with delicious Nepalese spices that includes heat from chili powder. If we go around the streets of Nepal, especially the city areas, we will undoubtedly encounter several street vendors and restaurateurs who are selling chatamari. Nepalese cuisine has always been the hidden treasure that is still yet to revealed. Nepal has so much more to give and countless recipes to be explored. Chatamari is also one of them, which seems to be super simple but very few has sensed its versatility. So today I'm going to enlighten you all with this simplicity. What do you know about Chatamari? So there are so many opinions of this wonderful dish. Some people named it as Nepalese pizza and some resembles it as crepe. However, both are right on its own. I hope you enjoy this beautiful recipe of chatamari. I'll be back with another beautiful similar dishes on my channel. Till then, this is Chef Amir signing off on my channel. Take care. Bye bye.